Welcome to this complete introduction to Amazon Web Services. Hello, my name's Mike, and years ago I was one of the first people in the world to get certified in AWS, and since then I have helped others like you to get confident in the cloud and unlock the potential of Amazon Web Services. This introduction course will give you the confidence you need to start being involved in AWS-based projects, to decide what parts of AWS matter to you, and to start on your all-important journey to get certified in AWS. After looking at what cloud computing actually is, I will show you what AWS is, where it is, and review every single service they have available today. And yes, new services come out all the time. I have to update this course a lot. Most importantly, I'll help you to get some hands-on experience with some of the essential services, and we will even make a couple of complete AWS solutions. So if you've noticed that AWS is the biggest cloud provider on the planet, and you want to expand your IT knowledge to the real world of cloud, I made this course just for you. I'm really excited to be able to bring this course to you. It's free, so why not come in and take a look?